Thank you for purchasing the WiseLift Riser Recliner. We've put together this short video to help you with its assembly and to make sure you get the very most out of your new CareCo product. Your WiseLift EnduraLux Riser Recliner should come fully boxed as seen here. Courier delivery is available straight to your doorstep. Carefully cut any tape with a knife or a pair of scissors to open the box. Once opened, first lift out the backrest and set it to one side. Then tilt the box on its side and slide out the seat section. Packaged with your riser recliner, you should find an instruction manual. Please keep hold of this as it contains useful information on the assembly and the best use of your recliner. On the rear of the seat, you will also find a small bag containing the heat and massage remote control as well as a power adapter. With the seat base in its correct upright position, you can now add the backrest. Slide the guides on the sides of the backrest over the prongs on the rear of the seat. When the base unit's protruding prongs are in the guides on either side of the backrest, push down on the backrest to click this into place. At the rear of the chair, connect the power adapter, the heat and massage remote control, and the heat and massage functions, marked by red tape. Drop the fabric cover on the rear of the seat to conceal the cables, and secure it using the Velcro strap. When positioning the chair in your living room, make sure that you leave enough space behind the chair so that the backrest may lower fully. This will help avoid any damage to the chair or your wallpaper. Your riser recliner is now fully assembled. Please keep hold of any excess packaging just in case you wish to return the item. For more details on the WiseLift Riser Recliner or its assembly, simply visit careco.co.uk, pop into one of our showrooms or give us a call. Thanks for watching. Take care.